Hey, it's GV Tech again. Today I will be unboxing a nifty little gadget. It's a smart projector and it's called the Xgimi Mogo Pro. It's a 1080p portable projector, has rechargeable batteries. It comes with its own speakers, it has autofocus, it can get up to, there you have it, 300-inch screen size. And it has Android TV, which is just perfect. So yeah, it has Google inbuilt in it, and the speakers are provided by Harman Kardon, which is good. So you have a little bit of bass in there. And I am going to just tell you what this does. I've used it for a couple of weeks now, and all I can say is that it's just amazing. It's an amazing device. You have a remote control, cool slick remote control, and one of the things I have to say about these Chinese products is that they are getting better. So you have the really shitty products, but if you put in a little bit of box, you get the really nice product. It has a hefty feel, it feels really premium. It is it's not really large. Let me use something for comparison so you can see. Okay, let me use a mouse. So this is an Apple Magic Mouse, so you can see for comparison how large it is. So it's a great device. One of the reasons I got this was because I was battling the decision to get a big screen TV. I have a 55-inch, but you know how it is, you want to see something more cinematic, you want to watch all your movies in HD, 4K, big bright screens. And if you want to get something of 4K that's going above 60 inches, you are looking at close to over £1,000, to be honest, for the good products. You're looking at close to £2,000. And I'm like, come on, for a TV that will be obsolete in how many years? So I went with an option of getting a projector, and this projector is really good. But again, comparing projectors to TVs, there are a lot of pros and cons on both sides. But the projector is more economical, it's cheaper, and the major disadvantage is that for the best experience, you have to watch in a dark environment. Although you have laser TVs that are out now that you can literally watch in daylight, to be honest, with all your blinds up, but those go for like £4,000, looking at £5,000, but those are really good. So I think laser TVs are the future of TVs. But since I am just me, I will go with this. You have the top here, so it has touch. It's touch for the volumes. This is an LED indicator light to let you know it's on. At the back, we have your HDMI port. You have your USB port. You have your power inlet for charging it, and then you have your audio out. This is the button to put it on. You can connect your devices to it. You can connect an external hard drive or your USB flash stick, so you can watch movies and listen to audio and stuff. This has a rechargeable battery, like I said before, and it lasts 2 hours. It gives you 2 full hours of watching time if you're watching something on HD. So for 2 hours it will run, and but if you plug it in, it goes literally how you want it. And one of the reasons I like it is because it's so portable. So if you're going out, you're going for an event, you're going to a family barbecue and stuff, you can just take this device. It also doubles as a Bluetooth speaker, so you don't necessarily have to be doing watching videos on it. You can use the Bluetooth speaker, and the speakers are pretty decent, just to be honest with you. The remote is good. It has auto tracking. One of the benefits of auto tracking is that when you face the projector on a wall or a surface, it will automatically calibrate. It has a camera that calculates the distance on the wall and the smoothness, and then calculates and focuses the image, so you get optimal images all the time. And it's just amazing. I've used projectors where you have to manually do autofocus and keystoning, but that's just another story. But this does that automatically. So overall, I would say this projector offers good value for money. You can use it to watch movies, you can play video games, and you can watch your TV shows via streaming apps that already come inbuilt. It's great. You can connect to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. It works. The Bluetooth works great. I would say go for it. Until next time, take care.